I'm Crayk, and I'm about to put your knowledge of the real estate market to the test. In this show, I walk you through a home, and you get paid by guessing what it's worth. Welcome to What's My House Worth? On this episode of What's My House Worth, we're here in the heart of Sugarhouse at this cute little 2,000 square foot home. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, sits on 0.13 acres with a little 1-car garage. Let's go take a quick look. The first thing you're gonna notice when we enter this house is that the whole thing has been completely remodeled. Everything's brand new, from the roof to the AC, furnace, all the utilities. We've got brand new flooring throughout. In here in the kitchen, we've got brand new quartz countertops, new cabinets, all new appliances. We've got that new flooring in here as well. Really cool little kitchen. Take a look at the 2 good-sized bedrooms and the full bath here on the main floor. Oh, and check this out. I didn't even realize there's actually a 3rd bathroom in here. So this house is actually 4 beds and 3 baths. It has an ensuite here in the master. Down here in the basement, we've got a nice family room. If you don't mind ducking, you could put a cool pool table down here or something. And we have 2 more bedrooms and 1 more 3/4 bath down here as well. For being on 0.13 acres, it's got a pretty good sized backyard. There's this patio over here. You could throw a hot tub up there, barbecue and entertain. You could play catch over here on the lawn. It's got a 1-car garage and it's also fully fenced and private. Now you've seen the home, the only thing left to do is make some money. Can you guess what this house is worth? 2,400 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, heart of Sugarhouse. What do you think?
I'm gonna say 615.5.
Oh, close. Betty, what do you think the house is worth?
$457,000.
If you can guess within $10,000, you win $10. If you can guess within $1,000, you win $50. All right?
I'm probably so off, but let's say 620.
My friend whose home just sold for $3 million in Sugarhouse, but it wasn't maybe that done, so I don't know. I'm guessing 6, 7, I don't know, 6 something.
6 million?
No, Jesus, like 600. Oh. You're like, Jesus Christ, this girl really is. 650, I don't know.
What do you think this house is worth?
1.2.
Ooh, the house is $775.
775?
Yeah, $775,000.
That's not bad.
$775.
I wasn't even close.
Can you believe that house is worth $775,000?
House, of course, right?
House is worth $775,000.
That is crazy.
To like bleep out all my swear words and shit.
In the last episode of What's My House Worth, we told you that if you commented below and could guess what the home was worth within $10,000 without going over, that you'd win a $50 Amazon gift card. Unfortunately, nobody was able to do it. We had some people that were super close. One guy even came within $5,000, but he was over. The value of the home was $775,000. The guy had guessed $780,000. Today we're going to give you another opportunity to win. Taking a look at this house behind me, this brick bungalow is just under 1,500 square feet, 4 beds, 1 bath, built in 1942, and it sits on 0.12 acres. The kitchen features upgraded cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and the custom fridge matches the cabinetry. Brand new roof on the home, sits in the heart of Sugarhouse. We've got a 2-car detached garage, which most homes in this area don't have. So here's your opportunity to win again. If you can guess the value of the home within $10,000 without going over, you'll win that $50 Amazon gift card. You're gonna wanna stay tuned because we're gonna announce the winner in the next episode of What's My House Worth.